I'm a senior high school teacher from Mayamot National High School in Antipolo City, Rizal.
Senior high school teacher in Isabela.
I'm a senior high school teacher from Morong, Rizal.
I teach in Manila Science High School. I handle oral communication.
I'm a senior high school teacher in Gregorio C. Catanza National High School in Tongalaite. Well, as media is everywhere and their forms are just around, there's a dire need to combine consumption and analysis of media content.
For me, one thing that I learned from this seminar is to be digitally responsible and be more aware on the things that I read from online and print sources.
Being a communication teacher, parang na-review ako ng mga types of shots and ganyan. At yung kahulugan, the meaning, giving meaning into things na ginagawa ng mga bata at hindi lang yun. Naming mga guro ay magli-lead sa lahat, sa ating lahat na magkaroon ng mas meaningful na paggamit ng mga multimedia na available sa ating lahat.
How we can teach or help students to salain or sift yung legitimate information versus fabricated information that they continually consume and are continually socializing with.
In short, yun yung ibabahagi ko later on sa aking mga students na we need to be critical and of course vigilant sa mga media or mga information na nababasa natin. At the same time sa mga pinaniniwalaan natin sa mga social media. Apart from the workshop activities, the concepts and principles presented in this boot camp were also helpful. They can be used to craft or develop worthwhile and fun-filled activities in MIL. Especially mga high caliber yung mga in-invite na mga speakers for this training.
Binigyan niya ako ng magandang linaw kung paano ko integrate ang models of communication, the theories of communication sa paggamit at pag-a-analyze ng mga bata sa mga nakikita nila.
Truly, it is a challenge for me to become an effective MIL teacher, but hopefully I will be.
What I realized from talking with co-teachers from around the Philippines is that nahihirapan silang makahanap ng resources na kagaya ng mga seminars na to. So I just would like to thank OOTB for the opportunity and the chance to invite and accept teachers from around the Philippines na nangangailangan ng